An investigation is performed to determine the relationship between the velocity of a moving sound source and the frequency of the sound detected. The siren of an ambulance produces sound with a constant frequency. The ambulance, with its siren on, move towards a stationary sound detector part A and away from a stationary sound detector part B at a constant velocities. The experiment is repeated for different velocities of an ambulance. The detected frequency is measured for each velocity. The results obtained are shown in the graph below. Now we have part A, where the ambulance is approaching a sound detector. So the ambulance is moving towards the sound detector. So bese siba no part B, la khona ambulance imove away from the sound detector. So okusho ukuthi le detector le ka part A silindele ukuthi izwe umsindo omkhulu. Silindele ukuthi le detector elalele izwe umsindo omkhulu ngoba i-ambulance is moving towards. So the frequency detected, this is the frequency detected. Silindele ukuthi leya detector leya ku-part A izwe lo msindo, izwe le frequency. So ku-part B silindele ngoba le ambulance is moving away from the listener or from the sound detector. Silindele ukuthi leya detector izwe umsindo omncane for part B. So ngaleso sikhathi i-ambulance izobe ihamba ngespeed esingakanani? Izobe ihamba ngo-25 meters per second. Nansi into esiyilindele. Now, equation ithi state the Doppler effect. Siyasho ukuthi the change in frequency or pitch of sound detected by the listener, because the sound source and the listener have different velocities relative to the sound of medium propagation. So equation elandelayo ithi for this experiment write down the independent variable. So in this case, our independent variable is velocity. I-velocity ayidepende kulutho. So that is our independent variable. Now the controlled variable, it is the frequency of sound produced by the ambulance. So i-ambulance lapha izoproduce umsindo ofanayo. Awuzukushintsha umsindo ozoproduced i-ambulance. Uzofana, iza noma ihamba. Sekuwukuthi olalele uzwa as if umsindo mncane yini noma mkhulu. Kodwa nomsindo okhishwayo uyafana. Umehluko kuhluka lo olalele ukuthi uzwa lo msindo okhishwayo sengazuthi mkhulu. Uzwa lo msindo okhishwayo sengathi mncane. Kodwa wona umsindo okhishwayo uyafana. U-constant, controlled. Now, umbuzo olandelayo uthi what conclusion can be made for part A of this experiment? For part A, ukhumbule, we are moving towards the detector. So as i-velocity i-increase i-ambulance, velocity masiyibuka, as i-velocity i-ambulance i-increase for part A, what happens to the frequency detected? The frequency detected increases. So as velocity increases, the frequency that is detected by the sound detector increases. So sobhala kanjalo. So that as the velocity of the ambulance increases, the detected frequency now for part A, the detected frequency for part A increases. But for part B, as the velocity increases, the frequency detected for part B decreases. Ngesibuke-ke la, yes, basibuze for part B, mina ngiphendula for part A. So basibuze for part B. For part B, as the velocity of an ambulance increases, the frequency detected decreases. For part A, as the velocity increases, the frequency detected increases. Now, bathi-ke calculate the speed of sound in air. So, yesibukeke la sebefuna the speed of sound in air. So, bake no part A nobani no part B. So, FL is equal to V plus or minus VL over V plus or minus VS FS. So, for part A, guys, i-ambulance iza towards the listener. So silindele ukuthi sizwe umsindo omkhulu. Ukuze sizwe umsindo omkhulu, kufanele sibe nenamba enkulu ngenhla, sikhande inamba encane ngezansi. Ngaleyo ndlela leyo sizozwa umsindo onjani? Omkhulu. Ukuze sibe ukuze sibe nomsindo omkhulu, ukuze sibe nomsindo omkhulu esiwulalele, kufanele sikhande inamba enkulu ngenhla ibe ncane ngezansi. Ukuze sizozwa umsindo omkhulu kunalo esiwuphrodusile. So sesinga-substitute-ke whatever sikwaziyo for part A. For part A, the velocity of a listener for part A, 1298 V plus velocity of a listener imile, V minus velocity of a source 25 fs asimazi, asazi ukuthi le ambulance ikhipha umsindo omngakanani. So singa-multiplya ngalokho okungezansi kuzoba u-V minus 25 sisale no-V fs, then sidivide ngo-V. So no-fs elingana nobani? No-1298 V minus 25 all over V. Bese sizoza ngapha FL is equal to V plus or minus VL over V plus or minus VS times FS. V FL. So, since i-ambulance is moving away from the sound detector, silindele ukuzwa umsindo omncane. Ukuze sizwe umsindo omncane kufanele sibe no-negative ngenhla, sibe no-positive ngezansi. So, khanda umsindo omncane-ke lapho. VL, VS, FS. So, frequency of a listener, 1115. V minus frequency of a listener, excuse velocity of a listener, 0. V plus 25. Now multiply by Fs. So times angalokho okungaphansi. So times angalo on both sides. So sizoba no 1115 V plus 25 is equal to VFS. Then divide V on both sides. So FS ulingana no 1115 V plus 25 all over V. So this is equation 2. This is equation 1. You can equate the two equations. So that equation 1 equal to equation number 2. So uzoba no 1298 into V minus 25 all over V is equal to 1115 into V plus 25 all over V. So ungamultiply ngo-V on both sides. Loya V uzokhansela loya V yakhansele loya. So uzosala okay, izoba 1115 into V plus 25. Ngapha uzoba no 1298 into V minus 25. So ungavula i-bracket ngo 1298 V minus 25 times 1298 times 25. Uzoba minus 32,450 is equal to 1115 V plus 1115 times 25. So bani, so about 27875. Now, 6 over 1298 V minus 1115 V, 27875. So plus 32450. Now 1298 minus 1115 over 183 V 27875 plus 32450. So now plus 60 325. Divide by 183. Divide by 183 on both sides. Now the velocity of sound in air, it will be 329.64 meters per second. Zoba kanjalo.